I'm Andrew Evans, and this is my video for nomination to Top 50 Installer 2017. I have 20 plus years experience in the automotive and 12 volt industry, 17 of which have been professionally. My installation specialty is custom install with fabrication. I also handle a lot of wiring, alarms, remote starts, body work, painting, all the other things that I can encounter during the day. My installation philosophy is to do it right, do it once. Some of the professionals that have influenced me in the most recent years have been Brian Schmidt, John Schwartz, Jeremy Carlson, Tom Miller, Chris Peck, Matt Schaefer. Most of those guys I got to work with at one of Brian's classes. It was really cool to get hands-on with those guys and work hand in hand with guys from all over the country doing what we love to do. As far as people who have influenced me on a professional level, it goes back to the days when you were a kid and all I could wait to get my hands on before I was 16, knowing I was getting a car with car audio magazines, watching those installs. Everything was carpet and tweed, and now everything's evolved into OEM integration and high-end cars, things that you would never imagine having as a kid. Now as an adult, I'm owning a business, and I'm influenced by everybody throughout the world. Social media has connected us on a point where we're all involved in each other's installs and everything daily. We're available to answer each other's questions or comment on things that we may have an issue or a problem with. So specifically people who have spurred my inspiration to continue to do what I'm doing and to grow as a business owner as well as an installer. Brian Schmidt, John Schwartz, Jeremy Carlson, Gary Bell, JT, Doug Dobson, Chris Bennett. All these guys have helped me on a daily basis throughout different years or phases of business. So all in all, it's all you guys that influence me daily. And, we always try to one up each other and try to build the next coolest thing out. Why I believe I should be in the top 50. Who doesn't want to be part of the top of anything? We wake up every morning and we want to strive to do better than we did the day before. We overcome challenges, whether it be automotive in a technical sense or automotive in a fabrication sense. But I strive to be a better person and involved in this industry to further this industry and keep this industry alive. What would my coworkers say about me? They know I have a lot on my mind. They know I'm running around handling multiple things at once, but at the end of the day, they know that I'm more of a leader and less of a boss, and that I'm not afraid to get in there and actually work with them hands-on a day-to-day basis on any type of project. Some of the biggest challenges we've had to overcome this year, just the constant growth and the different facets of business we handle daily. Some cars get wheels and tires, some cars are getting body work with insurance companies, some cars are getting custom audio. Anything at any time can walk in the door here. One of the biggest challenges is handling the diversity.